Hello everyone, today we are going to investigate the effect of liquid density on egg buoyancy. So for that we require 3 transparent glasses and we are going to add water into all of them. As you can see, we have added the water into all the 3 glasses. Now we are going to add salt in 2 of the glasses. In the first glass we have added salt, in the second glass we have also added salt, but in the third glass we have kept it without any salt, so it is just water. So now we are stirring the first 2 glasses so that the salt mixes uniformly. As you can see, we are adding eggs into the fresh water and the other 2 eggs into the salt water. The egg is sinks to the bottom of the container because it is denser than the plain water in the first glass, which does not contain salt. In the 2 glasses which contain salt, you will see that the egg is seen floating because of the increased density. Take a glass of water, add a spoonful of turmeric and mix it thoroughly. As you can see that the turmeric is being mixed. Add a spoonful of detergent into it. After mixing detergent into turmeric water, you will see that there is a change in the color of solution, and this change is from yellow to red or reddish brown. This color change occurs because turmeric contains curcumin, which act as a natural pH indicator. In acidic or natural or neutral condition, turmeric is yellow, but in basic condition it turns red. So this indicates that the solution was